The Dudios Free Mini Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Dudios Free Mini Touch Control Earbuds. These are inexpensive earbuds and come in at roughly $34. The Dudios is a sister company of Soundpeats, so you may see some similarities in designs of the products. This was sent out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with your standard user guide, small, medium, large ear tips, and a micro USB cable for charging. And just to go over some brief specs, the Free Mini has 4 hours of listening time and 15 hours with the case. It takes 2 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The case has a small capsule shape to it, and it's very light and compact. It's plastic all around and you can see the branding on the top. On the back of the case, you have the micro USB port for charging, along with the status LED for the case. The lid is easy to open and has a nice tight close. The earbuds are held into place by magnets, and the ear indicators are etched in inside the case. The earbuds are very simple in design all around and has a smooth plastic finish. The left and right ear indicators are marked in the inside. Each earbud features the following: touch controls, LED indicator, charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, and a microphone. And here they are side by side. They use touch controls as mentioned for playback and call controls, and they are pretty responsive. The left earbud controls are hold down for 2 seconds for previous track, press 2 times for voice assistant, hold for 1.5 seconds for power on, and hold for 8 seconds for power off. And the right side controls are pretty much the same, except press 2 times for play, pause, answer, and call, hold for 2 seconds for next track, and hold 2 seconds for reject call. The case comes in at roughly 2.5 by 1.2 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 22 grams, and the earbuds come in at 7 grams. So very light all around. And here is a quick microphone sample. This is a test of the Dudios Free Mini microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. The microphone was decent during calls. Nothing exceptional, but it works. If you want to use it in mono, the right earbud is the only side that can be used. As far as watching videos, I didn't experience any latency. Range was good, and there were no disconnects. So here are my thoughts on the Dudios Free Mini. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I found them to be very comfortable and easy to put in the ears. The touch controls are nice rather than having buttons that will tend to push the earbuds further into your ears. They stayed into place while running. Build and quality is good for what you would expect at this price point. Very simple and minimalistic design. The earbuds don't protrude out of your ears that much, so that's a plus. Now when it comes to sound, I felt that the overall profile was bright. The bass was lacking for me and wish it had a bit more punch. Mids and highs were definitely present, and it's what stood out. Vocals and instruments come in really strong. It's very clear and never got distorted, and you can definitely listen at a high volume. The treble was good, and again, I feel that the sound profile is for those that like more of a brighter sound. Overall, I like the design of this along with the touch controls. Very compact and easy to take around, and it will work for those that have active lifestyles. You can't beat the price at this price point, and it definitely has some good value. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.